Properly buying stocks on Revolut is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you don't already have a Revolut account, you will need to sign up for one. Make sure your account is verified and you have the necessary documents submitted. Ensure that your Revolut account has sufficient funds. You can transfer money into your Revolut account from your bank account. Open the Revolut app and navigate to the Trading or Invest section. This is where you will find information about buying and selling stocks. Explore the list of available stocks. You can search for specific stocks or browse by industry, region, or other criteria. Before buying stocks, conduct research on the stocks you are interested in. Review financial news, company reports, and other relevant information to make informed decisions. Choose the stock you want to buy. Tap on the stock symbol to view more details. Enter the amount you want to invest in the chosen stock. Revolut allows you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest in smaller amounts. Review your order details, including the investment amount and any associated fees. Confirm the purchase. Revolut executes your order based on the market conditions. Keep in mind that stock prices can fluctuate, and your order will be executed at the prevailing market price. After buying stocks, monitor your investments regularly. Revolut provides tools to track your portfolio, view performance, and receive relevant information.